Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket. As you can see here, I have a Midland NWR 120 weather radio, which if you look, it has a headphone adapter to RCA jack adapter, and follow it and it goes to this face plate, which is no weather radio emergency alert system interface, device 15. And down there we have my panel. You may be wondering, how am I doing it when there's not a trouble? Well, oops, sorry about that. I took this apart and I put a resistor onto the contacts of it. Yeah, not the best solution, but it works. Anyway, if I unplug this, panel goes into trouble. Couldn't get it, but anyway, you can hear the buzzer stopped. So I have that monitor module in there programmed to trigger a supervisory condition. And I have this standard control module programmed to activate for a supervisory condition, which will activate this, the Faraday 5327B, yada yada yada. This isn't what I originally had planned for the use of that standard control module, but I'll get into that in the next system test. Anyways, I temporarily programmed that to activate for weekly tests. I have my phone here to record, and we have about 35 or so minutes before I need to start recording, since NWS Binghamton does their tests in the 11 o'clock hour instead of just anywhere from 10 to noon. So I'll see you then. I know, let's put a heat detector right on the MT. Well, it didn't reach us for actually. Don't know why I said MT. Yeah, because it looks like one. Manual heat detector. In case of fire, rip disc off. Like so. That's actually gonna do it. Actually, I want to keep this in good condition. And basket pull station. You gotta be kidding me. Crap. Oh well.
The Binghamton Regional Airport.
Oh well. Well, that is why we do tests. I know the receiver works, but now I know I can't have it set to a silent alert. Well, anyway, I'm just this, and wait till next week to try it out.